Hello everybody, how are you all? Welcome to SMG Gamers channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how we can download and install Scratch 2 offline editor. So Scratch 2 is an offline editor and it's a block based coding programming. So we are going to just download and install it, and I'm going to make a whole series of that. So just need to open any favorite browser. I'm opening Chrome, and here you just need to search Scratch and 2 and press the enter. Okay, so just connect your network. You will land on this, and you here needs to just need to click Scratch 2. Okay, so the official site will open, and here you can see what all we need to install and download for Scratch 2. Okay, so first you need to download Adobe AIR. If you don't have it already, SDK from Harman. Here if you have macOS, then just click on macOS. If you have Windows, then click on Windows. I have already installed it. You just need to click here download, and it will download by default. Okay, so we'll come back, and then you just need to select the Scratch 2 offline editor. Here if you are macOS, then download for macOS, and Windows, then Windows. And the support materials, don't worry, I'm going to show you how we can use this. Just need to click download, and after you click download, then it will start downloading. So we'll just wait until it installs. I have already downloaded it. So okay, so once you have downloaded the scratch 461.exe file, I'll just open my downloads folder. Here you could see, let me just clear. Here you could see scratch 461, just it show it in folder. And here as you see, today I have downloaded it. So you just need to double click here. Okay, so here you can see Scratch 2 offline editor. I have already installed the Scratch 2 offline editor. You just need to click here install. You can see here install button, just need to click it and it will install. Okay, so I have already installed it, so I'll just click it, and I'll just close this all. Okay, so Scratch 2. Okay, so once you have downloaded it and installed, here you can see finally the Scratch 2 offline editor has installed, and it's before us. Here you can see the sprite is present, all this file and edit and all these options. I will explain this all in the next video. Okay guys, enough for this video. I hope you liked this video. If you hit the like button, I will feel very happy, and please subscribe my channel for more technical analysis. Okay guys, we'll meet in next video. Till then, bye bye.